Instilling a pride culture in this industry has always been close to my heart because of my grandmother, who was a cleaner.
When I entered into the industry, there were less than a handful of women, and I enjoyed it so much. I wanted that opportunity to be available for other women, and I wanted them to really thrive.
I really wanted women to have more visibility in the industry. I wanted them to feel welcome and to develop their careers, to feel connected, and really to be inspired by other women.
As a manufacturer, I was the first engineer female working in the manufacturing environment in the paper industry. So I wanted to help other females to be successful, and males had to work in an environment with females.
Women do have their own specific needs, concerns, ways of seeing the world. And there wasn't a great resource to be able to share ideas and perspectives.
We were inspired to create an industry network where professionals could share ideas, resolve challenges, as well as attract and retain women in the industry.
I've seen many women advance in their careers and stay in the industry, become more engaged, become more networked with their colleagues in the industry as a whole.
At the end, it's all about giving equal chances to all women to pursue their dreams.
Over the past decade, the Hygieia Network has played a role in the awareness and mentoring of women leaders in the commercial cleaning and facility services industry. Women seeking career growth have greater access to invaluable resources like the ISSA Hygieia Network and its mentorship program.
The reward from supporting and mentoring other females and watching them advance in their career, seeing my employees advancing in their skills and taking challenges, that's very rewarding.
Many mentees have reported transformative experiences which help them secure new opportunities and leadership positions.
The incredible growth to 6,000 today is just fantastic. And so I'm very proud of that. And I'm also very proud of all the many conferences and webinars and educational programs that have become available for women in the industry.
The change is absolutely amazing. And I can see the benefit it has had on our industry and everybody in our industry. So it is going to be very exciting to see where it goes in the next 10 years.